You're 28 when that email shows up. You're not expecting anything special, just another normal day. But then you see it, an offer. $180,000 a year. You freeze for a second, not because you don't understand it, but because your brain takes time to believe it. You read it again, slowly this time, then once more. Still doesn't feel real. You pick up your phone and call your mom. You don't even say the full sentence, and she already knows something big happened. Her voice starts shaking. You can hear it. There was a time when she used to turn off lights one by one at night, just to save a little money. There were months when things were tight, really tight. And now this. This number doesn't feel like money. It feels like a door closing behind your old life. That night you sit alone. No music, no distractions, just you and a calculator. You start doing the math. Roughly $15,000 a month. You lean back in your chair and laugh. A quiet laugh. Because for the first time in your life, you feel like you've made it. 2 weeks later, your first paycheck arrives. You open your banking app while sitting in your car. You're expecting something big, and it is, but not exactly what you imagined. $8,500. You stare at the number, taxes, insurance, retirement, all of it already taken out. Almost half gone. You sit there for a second, then you nod. Still good? You say quietly, and honestly, it is. That's exactly where the story really begins. You start looking at apartments. Your old place suddenly feels small. Not bad, just not you anymore. So when you walk into a high-rise apartment downtown, you already know the answer. Floor-to-ceiling windows, city lights, gym downstairs. It feels like the life you always imagined. The price? $3,000 a month. You don't negotiate, you don't think too much, you just sign. Because in your head, one line keeps repeating. I earn enough. That line becomes your comfort. And slowly, it becomes your excuse. Your car still works perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it. But now, it doesn't fit the image anymore. So, you upgrade. The process is smooth, almost too easy. Monthly payments, insurance increase. You don't question it. You drive home feeling proud. Windows down, music playing. And you avoid thinking about the numbers. Because numbers might ruin the feeling. Then come the quiet expenses. The ones no one warns you about. Food delivery after long days, subscriptions you forgot you even signed up for. Weekend spending that feels harmless. Nothing feels extreme. That's the trick. It's never one big mistake. It's 100 small ones. That slowly become your lifestyle. Months turn into a year, then another. Money comes in, money goes out. You don't track it. Because everything feels fine. Until one Friday afternoon, an email arrives. Layoffs. You read it carefully this time. You look around. Someone nearby is already packing their desk. That night feels different, for the first time in a long time. You open your laptop and a blank spreadsheet.